Hey there! Welcome to your ultimate guide to grocery shopping. Want to learn how to shop like a pro at the grocery store? Whether you're a seasoned shopper or a newbie, there's always something new to discover. You've come to the right place. We're here to make your shopping experience smoother and more enjoyable. Learning a new language is like learning a secret code, and today we're cracking the code of grocery shopping in English. From understanding labels to navigating aisles, we've got you covered. This guide will teach you all the essential words and phrases you need to conquer your next grocery run. We'll break down everything you need to know step by step. We'll explore everything from aisles filled with delicious food to the checkout line. You'll learn how to find the best deals, understand product labels, and even how to ask for help if you need it. Get ready to fill your shopping cart and your vocabulary. By the end of this guide, you'll be a grocery shopping expert. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. First, let's talk about fresh produce. Fruits and vegetables are often the first stop in any grocery store. Knowing the names of different produce items and how to select the best ones is key. Next, we'll move on to packaged goods. Understanding nutritional labels and ingredient lists can help you make healthier choices. We'll show you what to look for and what to avoid. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Store employees are there to assist you. We'll teach you some useful phrases to make your shopping trip easier. Finally, we'll cover the checkout process. From placing your items on the conveyor belt to paying for your groceries, we'll guide you through each step. By the end of this guide, you'll not only have a cart full of groceries, but also a head full of new vocabulary and confidence. Happy shopping! If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides. Happy shopping! The goal is simple: to help you feel confident and prepared the next time you step into a grocery store. We'll be learning basic words for common foods, useful phrases to ask questions, and even how to have a simple conversation with the cashier. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to navigate the grocery store aisles like a native English speaker. Are you ready? Let's go shopping. Let's start with some essential grocery items that you'll need to know about. These are the basics that you'll find in almost every grocery store, no matter where you go. Understanding these essentials will make your shopping experience smoother and more efficient. When you walk into a grocery store, you'll see aisles filled with a variety of products. It can be overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We're here to guide you through the essentials. Let's start with milk. This white drink is a staple in many households and is usually found in the refrigerated section. Look for the word milk on the cartons. You might also see different types like whole milk, skim milk, and almond milk. Each type has its own unique benefits and uses. Next, we have bread. You'll find different types of bread like white, wheat, or rye. Bread is a versatile food that can be used for sandwiches, toast, and more. Look for the bakery section or bread aisle. Some stores even have freshly baked bread that you can smell as you walk by. Moving on to fruits. Apples, bananas, oranges, so many colors and flavors. The fruit section is usually bright and colorful, making it easy to spot. Fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and nutrients. They can be eaten as snacks, added to salads, or used in desserts. Now let's talk about vegetables. From carrots to tomatoes, vegetables are important for a healthy diet. They're usually near the fruits. Vegetables can be cooked in various ways, such as steaming, roasting, or sautéing. They add essential nutrients and fiber to your meals. Finally, we have the cashier. This is the person who helps you pay for your groceries. You'll find them at the front of the store. The cashier scans your items and tells you the total amount you need to pay. You can pay with cash, credit card, or even mobile payment options in some stores. Don't forget to thank them for their help. It's always a good idea to make a grocery list before you go shopping. This helps you remember what you need and prevents you from buying unnecessary items. A well-planned list can save you time and money. While shopping, take your time to compare prices and read product labels. This will help you make informed choices and get the best value for your money. Many stores offer discounts and promotions, so keep an eye out for those as well. Don't forget to bring reusable bags with you. They are environmentally friendly, and many stores offer incentives for using them. Plus, they are sturdier than plastic bags and can hold more items. Some stores also have self-checkout stations where you can scan and bag your own items. This can be a quicker option if you have only a few items. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be done in no time. Once you've paid for your groceries, load them into your car and head home. Unpack your items and store them properly to keep them fresh. Congratulations! you've successfully completed your grocery shopping. Remember, grocery shopping is the first step to preparing delicious and nutritious meals for yourself and your family. Enjoy the process and happy shopping. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Here are some phrases to use.
Excuse me, where can I find the apples? Do you have any bananas? I'm looking for the bread.
Store employees are there to help you find what you need. Section 5. I'd like... And how much is this? Talking at the checkout. When you're ready to pay, these phrases will come in handy.
I'd like to buy this, please.
How much is this?
Do you take credit cards?
Bag, please?
Thank you.
Remember to smile and be polite. Section 6. Can you name these grocery items? Time for a quick quiz.
Can you name these grocery items in English?
Section 7. Ready, set, shop. Congratulations. You've learned some essential English vocabulary for the grocery store. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Remember the words for different foods, the phrases to ask for help, and the sentences to use at the checkout. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Section 8. Bonus round, more helpful words. Here are some bonus words to expand your grocery vocabulary. These terms will help you navigate the supermarket with ease and make your shopping experience more efficient and enjoyable. Aisle. The walkways between shelves in a grocery store. These aisles are usually labeled with signs indicating the types of products you can find there, such as dairy, snacks, or cleaning supplies. Knowing the layout of the aisles can save you a lot of time. Cart. A basket on wheels to carry your groceries. Carts come in various sizes, from small handheld baskets to large trolleys. Using a cart can help you manage your shopping list more effectively, especially if you have many items to buy. Checkout, the area where you pay for your groceries. This is where you will find cashiers and self-checkout machines. Make sure to have your payment method ready to speed up the process. Some stores also offer express lanes for customers with fewer items. Coupon, a piece of paper that gives you a discount on a product. Coupons can be found in newspapers, online, or directly in the store. They're a great way to save money on your purchases. Always check the expiration date and terms of use. Sale. A period of time when certain items are sold at a lower price. Sales can be seasonal or promotional. Keep an eye out for sale signs and flyers to take advantage of these discounts. Happy shopping. Remember, being familiar with these terms can make your grocery trips more efficient and enjoyable.